Right, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you the behind the scenes of a YouTube video. See if you've ever wanted to know how I make my videos, in this video I'm going to show you how I do it. See if you're struggling making YouTube videos now, this video will show you advice on how you can make your own YouTube videos. It'll also make them better than they already are. One thing I want you to do before this video starts, I want you to comment below how you make your videos now. So do you have a routine you follow, or do you just like turn on the camera, turn on your phone and start recording? And see if you're somebody that doesn't make videos, I want you to comment below if you did make videos, what kind of videos you would like to make. Right, I'm going to start talking you through the routine. Right, so the first step I take before I start making a video is I actually do some research before I make a video. It's important to do this because it gives you some proper ideas of how you're actually going to make your video. Also helps you to find keywords so you can make videos on, so you can try to get more views in your video. Also make sure you know what you're talking about and that you know that you're doing something properly. Let's say I'm about to record a challenge video and I don't do any research. I might not even know what the proper challenge is, so it's just like an example, you need to know what you're doing. Right, so the second thing I do before I make a video is I start preparing to actually record the video. What I mean by preparing is I write a script for the video, like an actual script on like how I'm going to record the video. This doesn't need to be massive, it can only be like a page long, and you don't have to like write down every single word you're going to say. All you have to write down is like the main things you're going to cover. If you're going to add anything else in the video so it's more entertaining, so like you get certain stuff you have to say so you don't forget. Just make sure you write this all down in your script. It's going to be so much easier to record a video because you know exactly what you're going to be doing. I also like to write down what kind of shots I'm going to get, like also wee notes for when I'm editing. So see if I want to put like a certain thing in somewhere when I'm editing, like I write it down in my script so it's easier to remember. Right, the next step in preparing for your video is to get all your equipment ready. I'm talking about your mic, I'm talking about what you're going to be recording with. If it's your phone, your camera stand, lighting, everything. My recording setup is really simple and it's quite cheap. I don't have a softbox so I can get good lighting, so what I basically do is I just turn the light on in my room and open the curtains. It's like the only thing I can do now. So until I buy myself a softbox, I just try to think of ways to make the lighting better. The camera I use is a Canon EOS M10. I think it's around £270. And the two stands I have for my camera is I have a tripod and also have like this vlogging stick. The tripod was really cheap, but it works so well. Link in the description, so if you want to buy it, it's there. You'll have like the very own like cheap tripod. The vlogging stick was more expensive, but it works really well for what I go somewhere. And it also extends a lot. So see if I want to walk about with a vlogging stick, if it's like 6 foot, I can do that. The third stage is actually recording a video. This can take as long as 10 minutes, or it can take like up to an hour. It just depends how many shots you need to take, how long you're going to be talking for, how many topics you get. So it could last like any amount of time. There's no like special tips I have for this. Just make sure you follow your script and just record your video. Now that your video's recorded, the next thing to do is edit it all together. Some people do it on their phone, other people do it on computers. I like to do it on a laptop, and I use a software called Sony Vegas Pro 14. This is a really expensive software, so see if you don't have the money for it, I wouldn't recommend getting it. Unless you know how to get it without paying, but I don't recommend you doing that. Like this is a step where the most work and effort goes in. Like the recording might have been hard, but editing the videos is a lot of work. Also takes a while to develop like good editing, so see if you're just starting out, your videos might not be edited as well as like somebody that's been doing it for a while. So I've been editing videos for so long, but it's just natural to me. It's something that I'm really good at and I actually enjoy doing it. In this video I can't show you how to edit a video, because that would take hours if you're just starting. But basically how I do it is I take all the footage for the camera, put it onto a laptop, put everything in the software, put music, put special effects. And then I just get to work cutting everything down and putting it together, adding in effects, adding in good graphics and all that. Like, and eventually after hours of work, like hours later, you finally have your video edited. Now that you've actually planned your video, you've recorded it, you've edited it, all you have to do is upload it. Some people think this is an easy step, but there's a lot of things you need to do. You need to optimise your title, your tags, your description, so you get more views in your video. And if you have a schedule you stick to, you want to make sure you schedule the video so it fits in with your schedule. If you haven't already noticed, I've been really active in my channel lately. I'm uploading every 2 days. And uploads are going up on 3 PM UK time every 2 days. So I'll make sure I'm going to be having consistent videos out every 2 days. It's important that you stick to your schedule so your subs know what time you're uploading. So it's good to like schedule your videos in as well and not just like upload it randomly. If you're wondering how I make my thumbnails, I use Photoshop. Like editing, it takes a while to get used to it and actually get good at making thumbnails. But after practicing, you get used to using the software and you'll become better at making thumbnails. Right, so I hope you've enjoyed this behind the scenes video. Hope it was nice learning how I actually make my videos. And also like a kind of like help video on how you can start uploading good videos on YouTube. Make sure you leave a like in this video and also make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. It gives you notifications to when I upload. And also it's free, you don't have to pay for it, so you might as well. Anyway, thanks for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.